what's up? It's Kiara here. Right now it's currently like 10:30 at night. I promised that I would show you guys a haul of what I got for spring break. If you guys don't know already, I'm going to Hawaii. You should definitely follow me on Instagram because A, you would know that, and B, you're gonna see tons and tons of pictures of me and my friend Taylor. We literally leave in like less than 24 hours, so I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you all this stuff. Let's do Nordstrom rack. Okay, these first things I picked up quite a while ago. I got this really beautiful dress. It is by the brand Astar, and they have really nice things in Nordstrom's. I love it. This dress was originally $75 and I got it for $30, so it was a great deal. I'm planning on wearing this to the luau. It's gonna be really cute and I'm super excited for it. The next thing I got is from Topshop. I got these cute shorts. They're really lightweight and they have some crocheted flowers on the bottom. I just think they're super fun and casual to wear in Hawaii. My mom and I went to Nordstrom Rack again a couple days ago and I picked up this cute workout tank. It's by Nike and it's a nice, I don't know, it's like, it almost looks grayish blue to me, but I really like it. I'm excited. I'm going to be playing tennis next term as one of my classes, so I'm definitely going to be wearing this on those hot days. Wow. Then I got this Adidas jacket. It's this cute, I don't even know how to show it. This is why I do try on hauls, because you can just see it on me. But it's a cute kind of lightweight jacket, but it actually keeps you surprisingly warm. I really like it. Super comfortable and it's in a nice olive color. The last clothing piece I got from Nordstrom Rack is from Billabong, and I just got this cute kind of knitted cropped sweater, and I don't know, this just gives me kind of like relaxed, chill Hawaii vibes. It's got multicolors in it. They match my feed, you know. The last two things I got from Nordstrom Rack are some Sun Bum sunscreen, and I got the Aloe Cool Down Gel. This is my favorite sunscreen. I just think it smells really good, and I also really like this cool down gel stuff. I'm probably gonna get burnt because that's just my luck. Ooh, let's do Sephora. I just got two like super simple things at Sephora that I really needed for the trip. First thing I got is this Smith's Tropical Rosebud Salve. I really love this stuff, and I have the rose one, and I thought I would mix it up and try the tropical one, and I really like it because it's got coconut and mango in it, so I'm a fan. And then the other thing that I got is a mini travel size of the Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. I have the not waterproof one, and I actually don't own any waterproof mascara. Let's do the Nordstrom stuff. I got two items that are from Topshop. I got this really cute lightweight dress. It's got buttons all the way down, and then on the sleeves it's got two little bows, and that's basically how it stays on you. I got it in black, and then I also got it in this cute baby blue color. I just think this is such a cute color for summer and spring. Okay, now let's do Target. I got some new PJs. I have a little bit of a pajama problem. I got some cute pajama shorts, and I got the matching, well, it's not I didn't get the matching top. It came with the matching top, and it looks like this. It's got the cute little floral pattern and then a little white lace trim across the top of it. Right, next, we got ourselves some shoes, and of course I got two of the same pair. I got this pair of sandals. They're super cute, strappy. They're kind of like flip-flops. Not even tan, I don't know, brown color. I got the same pair in black, obviously, because I need color options. This is by the Universal Threads brand at Target. I guess it's new or something, but they have really cute stuff. Alright, the last pair of shoes I got from Target are super cute. They're also by Universal Threads, and they are these cute tan sandals, and they've got a little bit of a wedged heel and a little ankle strap as well. I got some shades because you can never have enough sunglasses, and I don't own any like fancy branded sunglasses. I just got some cheap $15 ones from Target. I like the shape. They fit my face. I had to get them. Alright, what should we do next? Let's do Forever 21. Alright, I feel like I'm just sitting so weird in this chair. The first thing I got is this shirt. It's a nice cute yellow and white crop tee, and the material is really soft, and it was, I don't know, how much were you? It's only, okay, this one was over $10. It was $10.90, but you know. I got a cute white tank. It looks like this, and it's got that stretchy kind of, I don't know the deal what this is like called, but it kind of reminds me of like a cute top that you get from Brandy, except for it only cost me $9.90 instead of $16. The last thing I got are these shorts, super cute basic shorts. Let's do Abercrombie. First thing I got from Abercrombie is this shirt, really cute basic kind of plaid, but just white and navy, or is that gray? I don't even know. And I also got a swimsuit from Abercrombie. Really fell in love with this top. I really liked how it was crochet and then white. Fit me really well. Super excited about it. Then I went back to Abercrombie, and the bottoms would not cover my butt at all. I don't know. Abercrombie needs to just expand their use of fabric so it actually can cover you. I was really nervous about not finding anything, but my mom went on to some like website and ordered me these in like 2 days, and these are by Michael Kors, and they're really great bottoms. And look at this coverage, so great, fantastic. And the colors are just a tad bit off, but it honestly doesn't bother me because I'm just happy that my butt isn't hanging out anymore. Then I went to Urban Outfitters, only got one thing there, which is kind of a shocker because I usually find way more, but I don't know, the sale was just kind of like really ugly stuff. So anyway, got this shirt. It wasn't on sale, which is a bummer because I usually only buy stuff on sale, but it's a really soft shirt and it ties on the corner. My mom said I'm not supposed to bring this to Hawaii because I'm gonna get too hot in it, but honestly I'm probably gonna bring it to Hawaii, so I like it. I like to support YouTubers, and Marla came out with her merch. I actually love Marla's merch. It's so cute. So I picked up the t-shirt in gray, and I took a bunch of cute photos in it that are also on my Instagram. So yeah, I'll leave a link to Marla's website where you can get her merch because I think it's super cute. And I left the best stuff for last. I feel like that just makes it so much more exciting. We went to Lululemon. They had 2 shirts on sale, and they were my favorite style of shirts. So you know what happened? I am a huge fan of the Swifty shirts. I like the tanks, I like the long sleeves, I like the short sleeve, and 2 of the short sleeves were on sale in colors that I didn't have, so I had to pick them up. This is a nice plum color. Yeah, it was on sale, but it was honestly still so expensive. Really worth it because I wear those every day. The other one is the same exact shirt, but I got it in this nice blue color, which is really cute. Like I said before, gonna play tennis, gonna be fit and athletic this spring, so I'm gonna wear those. Oh, there's more Nordstrom stuff from Brandy though. Let's do that. All right, I got some Brandy items from the Nordstrom section. In Oregon, we're not privileged enough to have our own Brandy, so we just, you know, go to Nordstrom's a lot and PacSun. I got these cute sweatpants. They are navy blue and they have white stripes down the side. Brandy sweatpants are just awesome. They fit me well. They're not like too baggy. They're really comfortable. And of course I left mine at school in Eugene, so I didn't bring them home and I wanted them for the trip. Plus I just like the pants. The other thing I got from Brandy is this really cute shirt. It's a nice long sleeves, really lightweight, perfect for those Hawaii nights where you don't want to get attacked by mosquitoes. And it says something on the side. I don't know what it says. I didn't really check that out. France 1990. So retro, so cute. Also, if you guys want to find some of the stuff that I bought in one organized spot, I added a bunch of items that were either similar to things that I bought or were like literally the exact items that I bought on my Dote app. So if you guys want to go follow me there, I'm like kind of into that. This isn't sponsored by them or anything, I just really like the app and I've been having a lot of fun like virtual shopping on there and picking out things I like. And I happened to find a lot of the things I bought on the app, so I'll just link it down there and then you guys can find it. Next we went to PacSun. You know, I just had one of those days where everything looked good. I got this cute little white tank, super basic, simple. It's white and it has black stripes. It's by the brand Me to We, which I'm super into because I think they have just really soft material. The thing I got is from the Kendall and Kylie brand. I always like wearing their stuff because I just kind of feel like a part of the Kardashian fam. I got this shirt and it's got flowers on it. It's semi off the shoulder, but not off the shoulder enough where the shirt is constantly going to be like coming up and coming down, which I really like. It pretty much stays where it's going to stay. I think it's super cute to wear with this skirt that I got from PacSun. Got some rips in it as well, which I think is fun. Then I got 2 basic tees. These were on sale for $10 each. This one is really cute, light blue, kind of tie-dye look, and this is so soft. It actually feels like a pajama shirt. And then I got the same exact shirt, but in this nice, fun yellow color. Okay, the last thing I got from PacSun, I am literally so excited about this. I've been seeing this sweatshirt at like 4 different stores, and every time I see it, I just want it more and more. And it's this really cute Adidas cropped mint green sweatshirt. It's just the perfect length of cropped. I love the color. I think it's perfect for spring, and I'm gonna wear it all the time. I love things like this, and I wear sweatshirts like this to class all the time, and I only have like a couple of them, so I feel like I just re-wear the same stuff. Alright, I have one more bag, and there's only one more thing in it. Actually, that's not true. There's a couple things in this bag, but some of the things I can't show you because it's a secret. I got these shorts. They're really fun, comfy sweat shorts, but I don't know. I literally got the same pair of shorts, I think, from Forever 21, except for these are gray. The problem is like the olive ones look a little bit cheaper and not as dressy and nice, where these I can dress up a little bit easier, and I just like that the gray goes with everything and they're a little bit higher quality, so I'm a big fan of these and I'm going to be wearing these all the time in Hawaii. Alright ladies and gents, that is it for my haul. It's everything I got for spring break. If you want to see Hawaii vlogs of, you know, what I'm up to with Taylor and I, what we're doing in Hawaii, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment down below. What is like your go-to thing that you feel like you need for spring? Because every time a season comes around, I feel like I don't have something. And this year, I feel like I didn't have a lot of shirts. Before I end this video, I want to thank you guys so much for 75,000 subscribers, 3/4 of the way to 100K, and that's just kind of like mind-blowing. So thank you guys so much for subscribing, sticking around, and watching my videos. It means so much to me. Like, I seriously, you guys keep me going. Keep up the good work, and I will see you guys in Hawaii. See ya!